Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Fauzan and my partner is Raihan Nur Ihsan. So today we're gonna talk about module 2 about sales cycle and account receivable collection. Okay. So in this Raihan will explain. So
uh,
Raihan, the floor is yours.
Test transaction. So in the pack, we will look at both of this pack. We can copyright the visa batas or boundary table in book 1 to paste in on book 2. We copy at the date, factor, number, or travel doc, number travel doc, the name of customer and amount of the transaction. After that, we can check it suitable or not. The explanation on the next page.
Okay, the meaning of what Rehan talked about before. We will copy what the table on the book one to copy it to the book two. So if you look at book one, uh, untuk keperluan PG Visa Batas dari transaksi penjualan dipilih 5 transaksi sebelum dan setelah tanggal 31 Desember 2018. Because of that, we can test the transaction on the last five transaction. That is PT Zera, Forbox, Krakatau, Royal Ink, Sejahtera. But we can use the transaction on 2019 because we just audit about the 18 transaction. Suraihan.
Uh, okay, test transaction. We can check the suitable or transaction on the invoice, travel doc, sales book, or receivable card and big book. After we check it, there is one transaction that not suitable, that is on PT Zaira. The transaction not voting, there will be a wrong calculate, so we can cross it.
Okay, what Rehan talked about, that is in the table on book 2, there is many plus and the cross and one cross in the table. So after I check and Rehan check, uh, there is one sales invoice that is not voting. That is what is voting means, uh that is wrong calculate on this in the page in the book two. That is if you times that a 1,600 kilogram and you times 19,765, there is not suitable with the amount. That is 144,179,000 rupiah. Okay, that is we can cross it on the voting. Okay, to Raihan.
Okay, test sales boundary. Test sales boundary after we pass it again in this table, we can check again on receivable list. Is it right on achieve date or tanggal pencapaian or not?
Okay, that is in the table on the index PL 1.1 index. That is we copy what on the uji PISA batas before. Okay. That is one of the object that is date not date. That is we can write it depends on this nama? Receivable list. Okay, we can check it. Is it true? Is it this transaction happens on the date? Okay, we can if we look at PT Zaira, that is true. Like okay, and Farbox and Krakatau and the others. Okay, to Raihan. To Raihan.
This problem in book one, the two problem happen, so we can write on book two and make the journal.
So what the journal Raihan means uh that is happen on the PT Krakatau that on the PT Krakatau the causing of the he write it 2 times. Because of that we can delete one of them. The journal is like sales 10 million on the debit, PPN kekurangan 1 million on debit, and the occur receivable 11 million on the credit. Okay, the second one is like there is something wrong on the writing on the PT Usaha Lancar. The amount is 22 million. That is also seharusnya 220 million thousand. Okay, the account is like account receivable amount like 198 million on the debit, and sales the amount is 180 million on the credit, and the last one is PPN kekurangan. Amount is 10% of the sales. 10% of the sales. The amount is 18 billion. Okay, to Raihan. To Raihan.
For adjusted cost of change on sales, that is adding on sales. Because of it, we can change on sales index.
Okay, because of changing before like sales on the 10 million, we can write on the index PL1 index. That is we can write the heading on 10 million before and 180 million before. So the amount is 42 million 800 40 42 billion 80 882,000 882 million and 87,000. Okay, next.
Therefore, the confirmation auditor will give the confirmation mail to after second confirmation we get. We can customer.
No, 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 no.
Then
Auditor will give confirmation mail to customer. That will be 2 times.
two times the auditor write the confirmation result on the send it. The second mail
Sorry. Auditor will give the confirmation mail to customer. That will be 2 times the auditor send it. The second mail will take 2 weeks to send it again. After second.
that will be two times the auditor write the confirmation result on send it. The second mail will take 2 weeks to confirmation list index.
Okay, the explanation from Rehan, that is auditor will give the confirmation mail to customer. That will be 2 times the auditor send it. The second mail will take 2 weeks to send it again. After second confirmation we get, we can write the confirmation result on confirmation list index. Okay, if we look at the confirmation number one is PT Krakat, oh, sorry. The auditor will give 2 times of the confirmation, that is 14 January and 1 February to 2019 for for saldo on above 10 million rupiah. Oke, in number one PT Krakatau tidak menjawab konfirmasi satu dan konfirmasi dua juga tidak dibalas. Because of that, we can make it NR or like tidak ada jawaban NR on PT Krakatau. Oke, number two, PT Merdeka menjawab pada tanggal 21 Januari 2019 sebesar 93.960.000 selisih karena giro yang diterima perusahaan sebagai pelunasan piutang jatuh tempo pada tanggal 3 Januari 2019 telah dianggap lunas oleh PT Merdeka sebesar 10 juta. Oke, in number two, in PT Merdeka, we can check it as like RD or like jawaban tidak cocok. Because of that, we can make the confirmation number one is 10 million. And amount of the PT Merdeka will be changed like 93 million 960,000 rupiah. Oke, the next is PT Nuansa tidak menjawab konfirmasi satu dan konfirmasi dua juga tidak dibalas. Oke, because of that, PT Nuansa, we can check it as like NR and NR because there is no answer from the PT. PT Pelita tidak menjawab konfirmasi satu dan menjawab setuju pada tanggal 15 Februari 2019. Oke, untuk for the PT Pelita, we can check as like NB on confirmation 1 and the CB on the confirmation 2. Oke, number CB is like jawaban cocok. That is suitable answer. Oke, number 5 is PT Lestari tidak menjawab konfirmasi satu dan konfirmasi dua juga tidak balas. That is on PT Lestari same as like before on confirmation and confirmation 2 we can check it as NR. Okay. Number 6, PT Rimba menjawab tidak setuju pada tanggal 21 Januari 2019 sebesar 16.500.000 karena adanya penagihan faktur tanggal 1 Desember 2018 11 juta yang diterima dengan keuangan tanggal 28 Desember 2018 dengan giro bank Mamun jatuh tempo 3 Januari 2019 telah dicatat sebagai pelunasan utangnya. Cause of that, number 6 on the PT Rimba, we can check it as because of there is answer on the confirmation. We can check it as CB because the answer is suitable, and we can write on the confirmation one is what 11 million. So the amount is changed because of that. So the amount is sorry, not 27, like uh 19 million 500,000 rupiah. Oke, PT Wahana. Oke, next PT Wahana menjawab pada tanggal 19 Januari 2019 sebesar 150 juta dengan jawaban tidak setuju karena adanya pelunasan piutang dengan giro bank BNI, dengan giro bank BINI, BINI jatuh tempo 27 Desember 2018 yang sudah dibayarkan lunas setelah diselidiki giro tersebut belum dikeliringkan oleh kasir sebesar 1.500.000. Oke, on the PT Wahana, we can check as RD because the answer is not suitable. PT Wahana. Okay, we can make in the confirmation one is 1.500.000 rupiah. Because of that, the amount is changed. The amount is changed like 150 million rupiah. Oke, on the next is PT Queenie tidak menjawab konfirmasi satu dan konfirmasi dua juga tidak dibalas. Oke, on the PT Queenie check ini check the confirmation one and confirmation two as the NR or tidak ada jawaban. Oke, next on the number 9, PT Sejahtera menjawab tidak setuju pada tanggal 21 Januari 2019 sebesar 85.871.500 karena adanya penjualan tanggal 28 Desember 2018 sebesar 22 juta batal dikirim ke gudang langganan sebab telah tutup dan barang tersebut dikirimkan ke tanggal 3 Januari 2019. Oke, on the PT Sejahtera we can check we can write it like as the RD or the answer is the suitable and we can write again on the confirmation one as like 22 million rupiah. Because of that, the amount is changed like 85 85,000 million 871,500 rupiah. Okay, next, Rehan.
For the confirmation, same as before, we can also write it on confirmation list index.
Okay, same as before, like number 10 is PT Usaha Lancar tidak menjawab konfirmasi 1 dan 2, juga tidak dibalas. Because of that, the number 10 is PT Usaha Lancar. We can check it as NR and NR and the confirmation 1 and confirmation 2. And 11, PT Zebra Pratama menjawab pada tanggal 24 Januari 2019 sebesar 70 juta dengan jawaban tidak setuju karena adanya kesalahan catat pada tanggal 27 Desember 2018. Seharusnya pelunasan PT Lestari. Oke, under 11 is PT Zebra Pratama. PT Zebra Pratama, we can make in the confirmation one is RD because the answer is not suitable and we can write it 15 million rupiah and the minus cause of the there is misleading on the pencatatan. Oke, the next is PT Zaira. PT Zaira menjawab pada tanggal 18 Januari sebesar 158.600.000 dengan jawaban tidak setuju karena adanya pelunasan piutang dengan giro BIIB jatuh tempo 28 Desember 2018 yang sudah dibayar lunas. Setelah diselidiki, giro tersebut belum dikeliringkan oleh kasir sebesar 400.000. Oke, on the 12 is PT Zaira. PT Zaira, we can check it rate also. We can also write on the RD. That is 400,000 rupiah on the confirmation one. Oke, next PT Orientasi tidak menjawab konfirmasi 1 dan 2, juga tidak dibalas ternyata diketahui dari surat kabar bahwa perusahaan sudah pilot dan dan pemiliknya kabur ke Swiss. Oke, on the PT Orientasi we can check it also on the NR and NR because there is no answer on the PT. Oke, on the 14, PT Tempo menjawab tidak setuju pada tanggal 21 Januari 2019 dan tidak mempunyai utang lagi karena sudah membayar tunai tanggal 20 Desember 2018. Setelah diselidiki, ternyata uang tersebut telah dibawa kabur oleh salesman. Oke, on the PT Tempo, we can check it also. PT Tempo. Okay, on the 12th is PT Tempo. We can check it as RD because there is no suitable answer. And the next is Forbok Inc. Menjawab pada tanggal 24 Januari sebesar 20.000 USD dengan jawaban setuju. Oke, on the 15 is CB because the answer is suitable. And the Royal Inc. menjawab pada tanggal 24 Januari 2019 sebesar 40.000 USD dengan jawaban setuju. Oke, we can check it also. On confirmation one is CB. Okay, next, Rehan.
For the result of confirmation, there will be two index on the result of confirmation. There are result positive confirmation and result negative confirmation.
Thanks, Rehan. There is two confirmation on the book too. That is the result of positive confirmation and the result of negative confirmation. We can see the on the table. We can check it on the how many the how many the CB on or and the RD. On the positive confirmation, we can check the P as many on the table. In the positive confirmation, we can write the confirmation is 9 and the amount is 891 million 831,000 for 500 rupiah. And also we can make it present on the percent on the tahun berjalan. Okay. And in the result on negative confirmation, we can also the RD. We can make the confirmation is like there is on the table. Okay. Rehan.
Okay. For listed of receivable, after we list it, we cannot the customer will change. Also, we can change on sales index before cause the change on the sales.
Okay, thanks for Rehan. It is after we make before we can make the adjusted journal on this index on the E1 index. For the one is as same as before the PT Wahana and on the amount rupiah they discuss 100 for 500 rupiah thousand rupiah, and the second credit is okay, the second one is on because of tutup gudang and also 3 January 3 January 2019 the account di million and the PPN keluaran to 2 million and after that the credit is account receivable 22 million rupiah. Okay, same as we look again, and because of changing on the cells, we can write on the PL1. That is cause of changing on the we can look at the number 2, penjualan 20 juta. Cause of that, we can adding on the index PL1 adding 20 million on the because of that, the amount is 42 big again 87,000. Okay, next Rehan.
Okay, I will explain receivable schedule. There change on receivable. We can note it receivable schedule.
Rehan mean is like we can change on the receive there is change on receivable as we one index there is many changing banyak perubahan happen on receivable. Because of that we can make it on the because of that we can check it if the account receivable on the debit because of the account receivable increase. Okay, okay, next.
Okay, the aspect total of receivable. In this pack, you will see the double entry. We write the total of receivable before and paste it. In E1 index, we can see there are piutang, lain-lain account that influential the receivable changing. So we write it too.
Okay, thanks Rehan. We can see the dual entry, same as I talked before, and we can make the changing on the E index, that is piutang. So we can write it because of changing on the E1 index and the others. Because of there is one account on the six usaha that is piutang lain-lain or the others account receivable. There is 15 that we can make it because of it right on the debit we can make it okay, thanks for that. Next Rehan. Okay, thank you for our presentation. Sorry for the wrong on the I if misleading. Sorry for that. Okay, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.